Hey folks, I'm Kevin from Techable, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways to take a screenshot on a Mac. Let's get into it. Number 1, if you want it all, press Shift-Command-3 and you'll capture the entire screen. If you want to capture just a portion of the screen, then you can press Shift-Command-4 and you'll change your cursor to a crosshair. Click and drag, target in sight, take the snap. Mission accomplished. For the final method, you'll press Shift-Command-4 and space. Do this with one hand, you're looking like Doctor Strange. But is it magic or technology? Your cursor will become a camera, click on a window, and that's your snap. Hold down the Option key if you don't want the window's shadow in the image. If you hold Control while taking a snapshot, you'll copy it to your clipboard. From there, you can stick it almost anywhere. You'll find the screenshots saved to your desktop, but if your OS is Mojave or later, that location can be changed inside the Options section of the Screenshots app. And that is how to take screenshots on a Mac. Before you head out, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button for weekly tech tips, news, and updates. Stay informed out there, friends. This is Kevin from Techable, signing out.